this is Flash and welcome to Berlin, Germany's Waterfall Park. The concrete triangle in the background is the artificial waterfall and the green trees are the park. Yes, that's right. Springtime has come to Berlin, Germany, and it's time for my rubber duckies to explore the water again. The waterfall is an artificial waterfall and is turned off until the 1st of May. But the basin is full because it has rained the whole last week. So you can see there should be a waterfall, but we will have to wait 2 more weeks or three more weeks until the artificial waterfall will be turned on again. It's maybe 10 meters high and these kids have fun nevertheless by playing in the rain-filled water basin. What are they waiting for? More kids? A whole group of friends or maybe a family? I don't know them. Oh, the joy of childhood. Bye bye for now from Waterfall Park, Flash.